In this video, I will show you how to deactivate TalkBack in Samsung phone. First, you need to know that you have to use two fingers to navigate through your phone. So first, go to settings, tap on it once, then double tap. Then you need to swipe down until you see accessibility. Tap on it once, then tap twice. And here you can see TalkBack. Same, tap on it once, then tap on it twice. Here you can see that it's on. Tap on it once and then tap on it twice. And tap on turn off once, then tap on it twice. And that's it. TalkBack now is now off. Subscribe for more Samsung tips.